Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix something went wrong. There's an issue while loading the page on Instagram, on PC, on laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and your Windows, you're facing the issue that whenever you try to open your Instagram or your website, you might see the error that your Instagram page could not be loaded or something went wrong or something like that. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you're connected to a stable and strongest connection. Or you can also try to check your network by opening any random website here. Let's say I'm gonna open this website. So if your internet is working well, but you're still facing the same issue, so you can try to check for your VPN connection. So you have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. And once you have disconnected, you have to retry to check if it's fixed your issue or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so just tap on the three dots and here just go for settings. In settings, go to reset settings and tap on reset settings to their original or default. Just tap on reset settings. So it will reset all over your browser settings. If there will be any issue with your browser settings, it will be fixed in this app so you will not get the issue again. Or after resetting your settings, if you're still facing the same issue, so just open a new tab here, close all the recent tabs, and then tap on three dots, tap on delete browsing data. You can also tap on history here, and just tap on delete browsing data, and then select all the time here and just tap on delete data. So it will clear or delete all over your website data and your history of your browser. So sometimes it might be that there will be any bug or any malware with your website data which is causing these type issues on your TikTok or on your Instagram or anywhere on your browser. So once you have done, your issue will be fixed or you will not get the issue again. Or you can also try to go to three dots, go to settings, go to about Chrome or about your browser, and you have to make sure that you're on the latest version of the browser. You haven't any pending update. If you find this, try to update your browser. After updating, you will not get the issue again. Or you can also try to use a different browser, or you can also try to install Instagram app on your PC. Just tap on the window button here and then open your Microsoft Store. And in your Microsoft Store, you just have to search for Instagram and you can directly install Instagram app on your PC or on your laptop. So after installing the app, you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.